Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I promise this is the last one. By the while that other video was loading, I loaded the nudge into this new little toolbar. Well, it's so much easier to do it different ways sometimes. You can kind of see a grayed out box right here, and you've got your 4-point cross. You can just grab that and bring your toolbar out in the middle. And when you're doing this, this is a lot easier to add stuff to this one toolbar. So let's find another tool that you use a lot. Let's say you want to make a star. Hold down the Control and the Alt key and bring it into your toolbar and you'll see that line. Now you have a star. Then you can very easily put it back, and the real reason for the video is we're going to put it back. And in the past videos, you had to go to Tools, Customization. Well, let's just do it. Command bars, and then delete or turn that one off. Well, with this new toolbar, because it's all one unit, you can just left click on this menu bar line and turn it off. And what's so cool about that, you can do it that fast. Now to turn it back on, you have to double click and go to number 3. And there's your star. So this is really cool. And going back to making it, you can change, make the buttons large. I mean, really, really big, so you can see them better. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.